Imagine waking up in a world with no cars, no factories, no electricity, just farms, candles, and hand tools. Now, fast forward a few decades, and suddenly steam engines, mass production, and railways dominate daily life. This was the Industrial Revolution, the period that transformed human society forever. The Industrial Revolution was a massive shift from handmade goods to machine-powered manufacturing, starting in Britain around the late 1700s and spreading across the globe in the 1800s. Steam power-fueled machines and locomotives. Factories replaced small workshops. Mass production made goods cheaper and faster to produce. Some breakthroughs changed everything. Steam engine. James Watt's improved design-powered trains, ships, and factories. Spinning jenny and power loom revolutionized textile production. Railways made it possible to transport goods and people quickly over long distances. Telegraph allowed instant communication over vast areas. Life changed dramatically, both for better and worse. Urbanization, people moved from rural areas to booming industrial cities. Jobs and wages, more work in factories but often in harsh conditions. Middle-class growth, a new economic group emerged, influencing politics and culture. Global trade, nations became more interconnected. It wasn't all progress. Poor working conditions, long hours, unsafe environments, and child labor were common. Pollution, coal-powered industry, darkened skies, and polluted rivers. Inequality, industrial wealth wasn't shared equally, fueling labor movements and reforms. The Industrial Revolution brought incredible progress, but also new challenges, shaping the modern world we live in today. If you enjoyed this historical journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Would you have wanted to live through it? Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.